Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming you have an administrator account. You need that to change authentication. Once done, back up any data, Time Machine or an external drive, because removing a password affects login. Next, open System Settings and go to Users and Groups, then unlock the pane by clicking the lock and authenticating as the admin. Make sure to note the user's short name for the account you will modify. This prevents mistakes when you change account options. You now proceed to change the account credentials. Select the target user and choose Change Password. Attempt to set an empty password only if the interface permits. Mac OS may block blank passwords. If blocked, enable automatic login for that account in Login Options, authenticating again. This bypasses password entry at boot. Also check File Vault. If File Vault is enabled, suspend or decrypt it first, because disk encryption requires account passwords for access. These steps explain how system protections influence. Finish by logging out and restarting to confirm the change actually removed the password prompt. If automatic login did not take, make sure the account is not restricted by parental controls, and check that File Vault is fully suspended. Otherwise, boot to recovery, open terminal, and use the Reset Password utility to restore access. If anything goes wrong, return to an admin account, re-enable a secure password, and re-enable File Vault. Security should be reinstated immediately after you confirm account access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.